How to get face filters on Omegle. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get face filters on Omegle. Open your web browser. In the search bar, type in Snap Camera Download PC and hit Enter. Look for the second link in the search results and click on it. Find and click the download button to download Snap Camera to your PC. Once the download is complete, go to your recent downloads and locate the Snap Camera file. Click on Show Folder to open the download location. Now, double-click on the Snap Camera file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts, clicking Yes when prompted and selecting Next a few more times. Continue through the installation process until you see the Install button. Now your Snap Camera is ready to be installed in your computer. Click on the Install button given here. Wait for it to be fully installed. Once it is done, click on Finish. Now click on Settings of your system. Here, search for Camera. Select Change Default Settings for your camera. From the connected cameras, click on Snap Camera. Once the Snap Camera is enabled on your device, you can use several Snapchat filters by using it. Go open the Omegle.com in your web browser. Start a video chat and use the Snapchat filters. You can browse them and select the ones you like. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.